Yasmin Lucindo is set to go down against Josephine Knudsen. Josephine the Thunder Knudsen is a knockout artist finisher, 5'3", 60 inches of reach, Muay Thai fighter, and she wants to knock you out by any means necessary. She's fishing for the finish. He has a good kickboxing background. Against Isis Verbeck, she was unable to win via stoppage, but came close to a stoppage few times. And now people gonna say, yeah, she won many fights via decision. This chick is going for the finish by any means necessary, and that's what I like about her. Yasmin Lucindo is aggressive, but she's got weaknesses. Submission game is her weakness. She's very young though, believe it or not, this chick is only 21, 5'3", 66 inches of reach, very, very long reach. But what I need to say, yes, Yasmin Lucindo gonna have massive reach advantage, but I believe this is going to be a stand-up affair, and Yasmin Lucindo will try to brawl. With Josephine Knudsen, well, she wants to brawl. I mean, Muay Thai fighters control the central line, they don't move too much, and they like to keep the fight on the feet. So I believe this is gonna be an entertaining one to watch. And if you're asking me, giving a pick for this fight might be a bit tricky, especially considering the fact that Lucindo is trying to bounce back of a loss while Knudsen is on a winning streak. I'm gonna say fight starts round 3. If I must pick a side, I think Knudsen is a very, very big potential, so she should win if she's able to keep the fight on the feet.